all of you. Welcome, everyone. All the beautiful souls. We are living in lots of relationships. हम सब के पास बहुत सारे रिलेशंस हैं, बहुत सारे। और हम रिलेशनशिप में चाहते हैं कि वो बहुत काम हो, हैप्पी हो, जॉयस हो, सक्सेसफुल हो, पीसफुल हो। In today's meditation, we are going to meditate for happy romantic relationship. And as soon as the romance word comes in our mind, automatically we start smiling. We start blushing. It's an auto process, right? It's an auto process. So, meditation on the romantic chemistry is totally a different concept. Maybe you heard or not heard before, but in this meditation, we are going to bless ourselves and all the people in the universe, those who are enjoying the romantic chemistry with each other. We are blessing them. Welcome everyone in the new session of the meditation and try to share, subscribe this link to your family, to friends, and this link is open for all ages, all the people, your parents, your friends, your siblings, to everyone. So, this relationship healing brings romance in our life. This romantic relationship healing or meditation help you to heal your own relationship with your, especially with your spouse. You can share this with your family and friends. So let's start. Okay, hands on the heart. Hands on the heart. Touch your heart. Feel the love. Inhale. Feel the love. Hold. Exhale. Inhale love. Touch your heart, feel you're painting the love in and around you. Feel the love within yourself. Beautiful pinkish golden color of love spreading everywhere. Inhale, hold your breath. Exhale, hold your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale. Hold your breath for a while. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's change the breathing. Inhale. Take the deep breath within you. Feel your inner senses, your eyes, your nose, your entire skin. All the voices coming from outside be completely neutralized. Hold. Exhale through your nose completely. Inhale, feel the oxygen is going inside you, your blood streams get oxygenated. Hold And exhale slowly, slowly, very slowly. Hold a beautiful feeling. Inhale the love. Hold your breath. Exhale the love. Spread the love everywhere you are exhaling. Inhale the love. Feel the love is going into your nose, nostrils, in your lungs, in your heart, in your blood. Entire body is filling with the love. Hold it for a while. Let the love spread in the body. Exhale the love. Spread the love outside your body. Inhale love. Feel your brain cells, brain muscles, the brain particles are dancing with the love. Hold for a while. Spread the love in within your body. Exhale through your nose. Exhale love. Spread in your aura, in your physical aura, etherical aura, astral aura, mental aura. Hold for a while. Inhale. Slowly, slowly inhale love and peace. Feel your whole body is transforming into the pinkish, light pink color of love and peace. Feel the oxygen is changing your color of your body into the pinkish white prana. Spread the love within your joints, in your bones, muscles, cells, and tissues. Hold. Exhale slowly, spreading your aura. Hold. Feel your aura is filling with the love and peace. Again, inhale. Focus on the center of your eyebrows. Your glands are filling with love. Feel the love. Your neurotransmitters, dopamine, serotonin, are producing that happiness onto your face. Your body is dancing. The cells are happy. Feel the cells of your body. Every cell of our body is swelling with love. Hold. Exhale. Feel every prana is filling with love. Feel the love within you. Then your pores can easily spread the love in and around you. Inhale love through your nose. Focus on your skin. Feel the changing color of your skin with love. Exhale through your pores. Exhale the love through every pore of your body. Hold for a while. Again, inhale love. Your eyes, your nose, your sensory organs all are producing love, feeling the love. Feel the inner sense of love. Exhale slowly through your entire body. Love is spreading everywhere we are sitting. Every particle of the air in and around us, water vapors, are transforming into the love. Feel our bodies increasing, filling with the divine love, with the help and the blessings of the universal, absolute, supreme God. Love is flowing from you, the downpour of the love onto each and every layer and conscious levels of our universe. With every step down, the love, 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 every particle is filling with the love. Feel through your higher soul. Love is entering into our body through our Atma, through Paramatma, to our Atma, to our Jivatma. Love is entering into our physical body. Feel the divine love. Think about a happy moment where you feel the love, that intimacy, that love, that oneness. Think about that moment. Live again that moment and feel that enjoyment of the moment. Your cheeks are blushing, the goosebumps in your body. Live that moment, live that happiness, that peace, that surrender to the serenity. Feel the smile on your face, on your limbs, in your body. Every cell of our body is enjoying that moment. Think about a happy moment, that loving, romantic moment of your life. Or you want that romance in your life. Just imagine and go with the flow. Be free in your imagination. Live that moment again and again. The happiness, the enjoyment, the compassion, the feeling of the crushing feeling. Feel our heart. Say, I love you to your heart. I love you. I love you. I love you. The heart is responding. Feel that response from your heart. That response onto your crown above your head. Feel your divine love flowing from the absolute supreme Para Brahman, absolute supreme God. Feel that energy in your higher divine love. Our bodies are transforming into the love. Imagine your romantic partner in front of you. Imagine the small earth in front of you. Raise your hands in the blessing position. Keep your hands near to your heart so that you can easily bless the loving energies. Keep your hands near to your heart. Bless your romantic partner. We are blessed with romantic chemistry. Our heart skips when we look at each other. Feel you are looking at your partner. Your heartbeat is skipping. The touch brings the goosebumps. Your romantic chemistry brings the enigmatic force that draws you together, that tingling sensation, creating a spark, the ignite, the passionate ignition, enduring your connection. Feel that magnetic attraction towards each other. Bless with your hands the magnetic attraction. Our chemistry can easily broken down into the cognitive affection by the God's grace and blessings. We are blessed with romantic chemistry between both of us. We found bless your partner and yourself and found the attraction, mutual enjoyment, instant attraction, sizzling chemistry, that attraction, that biological driven energies, that passion with the power of God, this feeling of passion, this feeling of mutual desire, this infatuation brings the invisible magnetic pull from the universe. Feel the universe is blessing our relationship, the mutual enjoyment between each other, enjoying the company of each other, sharing the sense of humor that boosts the chemistry. Bless your partner and yourself. Be passionate. Be needy for each other, wanting love for each other, and feel that divine spark and connection and that desire between each other, that love. Bless all the couples on this planet Earth, the married couples. Be blessed They having the similar beliefs, hobbies, goals that boost their romantic sense of connection and solidified their foundation. Bless, 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 bless. Be resoundingly blessed, blessed, blessed. That deeper connection, that connection between you and your partner. Blessed every person, every couple, every married couple be blessed or going to be married. Bless them, they have the similar beliefs, values, morals, likes and dislikes and interests. They have the similar connection. Their personal relationships be blessed. Blessed with attraction, romance, happiness, joy, the reciprocal candor that boosts their romantic relationships and chemistry between both of them or us. Every couple on this planet Earth be blessed. They are enjoying and engaging in open, meaningful conversations, deep connections. They are criticizing by ease, joy, and glory. They always have a feeling of that spark in their conversations. They are absorbing unexcusable conversations, powerful conversations without any toxicity. They are blessed with intoxication. They feel safe and secure with each other and easily share their beliefs with each other and blessing each other. Their smallest touch or a briefest eye contact bring the tingling sensation, the shock waves all over the body whole day when they are apart. All the couples be blessed with mutual interest, simplicity, similarity, and intimacy. The sexual intimacy between the married couples. They're enjoying the emotional intimacy, physical intimacy, mental intimacy of their minds, their connections. Every couple, their chemistry is very powerful. Their bonds are unbreakable. Bless your relationship. Your spouse is always thinking about me, about you. Your spouse is always looking forward to meet you again and again and building desire of wanting to see you, to spend the time with you. We you together have a very strong positive rapport. The both are enjoying the genuine, down to earth, caring, respecting, faithful, trustworthy relationship. Every couple, every romantic couple, every married couple be blessed with romance, sincerity, genuine love, real love with stability. They both are spending time, and that feeling of excitement is be there for the whole life. That connection, every relationship be blessed with love, happiness, brilliance, laughter, joy, glow, the fluorescence energies that shining and blazing with joy, ease, and glory. Each couple are living happy 7-star life with all the seven sukhas at all the levels from all the layers. Bless the Mother Earth, each and every being, whether one sense being, two sense beings, three sense being, four sense beings, or five sense beings, are blessed with happy romantic relationships and enjoying them with oneness of the Supreme God. Feel we all are one with Supreme God. They all are one with happiness, joy, and compassion. That couple is one, one, one. Bless them with the sound of Om. Keep your hands on your lap, facing palm facing upward. Close your eyes, curl your tongue, and touch the palate. Do not repeat the Om, just listen the Om. Feel that transformation. Let go. Be in a silence for a minute. Come back to your body. Giggle your feet. Giggle your fingers. Just giggle your feet. Move your hands, move your fingers. Come back to your body. Imagine your relationship. Hands in the blessing position near to your heart with the help and the blessings of absolute universal supreme God and Guru, all the sentient beings, all the gods and goddesses, all the healing angels, archangels, healing ministers, with the help and the blessings of all the higher beings. Our relationship be blessed, be increased, developed, enhanced, recreated, restructured, reactivated with joy, living the happy relationship with unconditional love, intimacy, physical attraction, emotional attraction, mental attraction, and satisfaction. The emotional attachments for this lifetime with this person. The both are attracted towards each other, communicating with each other with love, care, respect, and faith. All the commitments, promises, oaths, vows, manifestations, blessings be fulfilled continuously, diligently, regularly. They both are talking with each other eagerly, with full of infatuation, attachments, connections, and communications be increasing day by day. Both are loyal with each other. All their programs, patterns, ideas, beliefs, concepts, expectations from each other from this life or past life, they are producing the love. They are forgiving each other every moment, every second, every day. They are forgiving each other. All their past karmas be neutralized and removed, where they are cuddling each other, they are loyal forever, they are showing genuine love and giving the genuine love and sharing the genuine love, real love, and passionate for each other. The romantic relationship is filling with love, happiness, joy. Again, the strong universal magnetic pull for the instant crushing attachments for each other. They are faithful to each other and enjoying the genuine, faithful, loyal, long term, happy, marital, blissful life with trusting each other, enjoying the life every moment, every second. Be blessed. They are forgiving each other instantly. So big, so big, so big. Put your hands down, bless all the couples. Every person, every being, be blessed, be blessed, be blessed. They are forgiving each other. एक दूसरे they are forgiving each other at all the levels, from all the layers, from their own heart and from their own soul. All the ties be open. They are blessing, 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 blessing. Abundance of blessings on each and every couple of this mother earth. So big, so big, so big. Hands on the heart facing downwards. Focus on your base of your spine, your coccyx. Release all the excess energies. Release all the excess energies. Mother Earth, be blessed with divine air, divine water, divine powers, divine love, divine energies, divine programs. Be blessed with Mother Earth. Mother Earth, be blessed, 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 blessed. Good air, good water. The water is revitalized, air is revitalized, restructured, rehealed, recreated with divine energies. Mother Earth is full of resources and giving us all the resources at all the times. Our generations are blessed with Mother Earth. So thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hands on the heart. Thank you. Thank you, Supreme, Absolute Supreme, Parabrahman. Thank you, Absolute Universal Supreme God. Thank you, all the saints, universal sentient beings, all the great, great gods and goddesses. Thank you, all the archangels, healing ministers. Thank you, all the beings and devas of air, water, sun, and all the vapors and every particle. And thank you, all the devas of land. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you from all the eight directions above and below. Thank you with deep gratitude, respect, and love. Thank you. I salute the divinity in all the people. Thank you for being in the session. Thank you, thank you, thank you. थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू। आप सब ये लिंक शेयर कर सकते हैं अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स में, हर कपल के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनकी भी लाइफ अच्छी हो और हमारी भी लाइफ अच्छी हो। जितने कपल्स को हम ब्लेस करेंगे उतना ही हमारा लाइफ भी ब्लेस्ड होगा। जितने भी लाइफ के इश्यूज है ना, अपने आप कब खत्म होते जाएंगे। आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है उतना दुख झेलना है। दुख झेले बगैर भी कर्म नष्ट हो जाते हैं, या दुख की मात्रा इतनी कम होती है और कर्म बहुत भारी होता है। लगता है थोड़ा टाइम, बट ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा। सो थैंक यू to the supreme god, thank you to the master, thank you to the all the teachers, जिन सब ये जहाँ से ये बन के आता है, जहाँ से ये आइडियाज़ आते हैं, कहाँ से ये क्या होता है। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करवाइए अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स से, इस यूट्यूब लिंक को शेयर करवाइए, जितना शेयर करवा सकते हैं सभी लोगों से उतना शेयर करवाइए, उतना कमेंट्स जितने आते हैं उतना अच्छा लगता है उनके रिप्लाई करने। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। आत्मा नमस्ते। वी विल मीट अगेन with another blessing and meditation. Thank you. Atma Namaste. Today's session is over. Bye bye. Sayonara. God bless you, all of you. Bye, all the beautiful souls.